you can do more. There's something great out there. Ha? Di ba ka mong na? Murag ana. It started with a curiosity lang. Namo ko'y point sa imong life na parang, you can do more. There's something great out there. Na ay something nag-draw sa ako into something na unknown that I don't know. Parang it's like an intuition. So parang it started with the idea of the chairmanship to chair the Miss Iligan. So, I asked my husband na, I have this wild idea. What if, I even asked my friends na, what if I will kanang mubid ko to chair Miss Iligan? And my husband said, "Ha, di ba ka mong kitaan na?" Murag ana, businessman na point of view. Yes, he is right. Ko siyang gi-walk through ng ano pong interested ko. And siguro nakita niya na parang I have this vision na I
Yes.
want to fulfill. And ano siya na, I will support you.
Wow.
So then, I was able to get the chairmanship.